Alright, so I'm heating her up. Get some fluids changed. Yes, get her some fresh oil. How you like that? Rotary engine. Yeah, I love that. I had to charge her up. She's been sitting for a little while, so I had to charge her up. I'm gonna use this oil here. This oil is recommended to me. Never tried it before. I mean, I've used Valvoline, but it's Valvoline racing fuel. We're gonna try this out. Highly recommended. I always use 2050 anyways, 20W50. But today I'm gonna try this one. I don't know. We're gonna see. I think it's gonna do a good job at lubricating. So I hope so. And I'm looking forward to getting this all squared away. Get some fresh oil. And come in here and turn this car off. I'm going to be going over some review of some of the parts. Somebody asked me about the suspension and if it was going to be tougher now with the poly. So I'm going to take it for a test drive. I'm hoping maybe tomorrow or Saturday to see if it is any harsher than the factory ones. I don't know. We'll find out. But yeah, if you need to know anything, write in the comment section. You know, that's part of the reason why I do these videos. They're for everybody. You know, especially if you're an owner. You know, I want you to be able to ask any questions that you may want to ask. I've been an owner since '98, so I've gone through good times and bad times with this car. The last 7 years have been all very good, thank God. A lot has to do with people that you let work on these things, so it does make a difference who you let work on these things. What you know about them to maintain them is important also. So all those things play a part in these cars to have them running well. So I'm keeping mine together that way. Later down the road, as I get more people interested in my build, I'm going to go into a little deeper with the car, go into what setup I have, what turbo, pictures of the engine, video of the engine. I will say this is not stock. By any means is the car stock. But it's been running like this for quite some time, and the setup was very well professionally prepared. And all the parts, just like the suspension parts, were all hand-picked by myself with a lot of trial and error. So I may keep some of these guys from making some of those errors I made early on in the build of this car and as ownership since 1998. So that's the goal of the channel, is just to help other people out who either have these cars, or those who are thinking about getting these cars, or those who just like the car, and also to document for myself and, you know, all the things that I've gone through with the car, and also to enjoy the car and watch the videos later with my son or grandkids or however it may go. The purpose is just to help the community, enjoy it myself, hang out with my buddies, the Triangle friends, and just videotape our fun. So hope you enjoy this one. If you like it, subscribe and like. The more likes, the more subscribes, the more information I give about the vehicle, the more I'll get into it a little more. Right now, just having fun with it, and hope you guys enjoy these videos, and I hope they're educational for you. So if you like it, like it. Alright, till next time, brap on. I'm gonna start changing some more. I got the car nice and warmed up, so brap on, brap brap.